dami.
Why did you call me girly, bro?
I'm sorry.
Look guys, I'm a clown in the house.
It was a try not to love you, idiots.
Oh no, she's stupid.
I am not stupid.
Just stop it.
Ah!
Wait for part 2, guys. Goodbye. Please like. If you don't like, you're done. I'm going to your house if you